United Clovis 5.10 29 inches United SCU, 804 SMI. Description: hardtail hydroformed alloy frame Shimano Deere 11. Speed gears Shimano MT200 hydraulic disc brakes max axis ardent 29 inches x 2.25 inches United Clovis 5.10 29 inches Product overview frame The United Clovis 5.10 29 inches is a mountain bike which has a hardtail hydroformed alloy frame. Gearing The United Clovis 5.10 29 inches comes with a Shimano Deere 11 speed gear system. Brakes This MTB from United comes with Shimano MT200 hydraulic disc brakes. Fork suspension The United Clovis 5.10 29 inches has a Venom Air Boost suspension fork with a 100mm travel. Ties The United Clovis 5.10 29 inches comes with a pair of max axis ardent 29 inches x 2.25 inches ties which are attached to Nautilus double wall alloy rims. Price The price of the United Clovis 5.10 29 inches is 54,100 rupees. Who should buy this bicycle? The United Clovis 5.10 29 inches is the perfect bicycle for traversing steep climbs and descents. Lightweight, fast and comfortable, the Clovis 5.10 will bring you the most joyous moments in the saddle. About brand United Bike is one of the largest bicycle companies in Indonesia that provides high-quality products with the latest technology and innovations by a team of dedicated professionals. Bicycle frame hardtail hydroformed alloy. Fork Venom Air Boost with 100mm travel. Rear derailleur. Gears, Shimano Deere M5111 speed. Brakes Shimano MT200 hydraulic disc brakes. Gear shifters Shimano Deere M5101X11 speed. Bicycle wheel size 29. Ties max axis ardent 29 inches x 2.25. Rims Nautilus double wall alloy. Handlebar Nautilus alloy flat 740mm. Cranks at Shimano MT210 170mm. Stem Nautilus alloy 60mm. Cassette freewheel Shimano 11/50T. Chain KMC. Seat post Nautilus alloy L. Saddle Nautilus saddle. Hubs Nautilus bearing hub with through axle. Bicycle suspension front suspension. Bottom bracket Shimano BB Hollow Edge 2. No of gears 11 speed.